This is the one we're doing some ducks. I was about to say, this thing can't be that other thermostat. And cool though, I like it. They added a request for me to get an estimate to replace the drain pan as well in the attic. Also got a heat pump here, and I think this thermostat over here is for a boiler. This thing is sweet, I ain't gonna lie. I kind of want one. That thing is sweet. I'm out in Norfolk, and apparently it's under the house. So I just turned the heat on, and I'm gonna use my brain, because I don't feel like guessing. We're just gonna figure out, which is probably this one. We're gonna give it a couple minutes of running. Just gonna figure out which one is not getting hot. Start crawling around under here. Never know what you're gonna find in Norfolk. And in the house, it might be something under there with me. It does have a urine smell in here too. Vacant house. It's a package unit. Package heat pump. Same one as that frozen one the other day. Alright, we got two. We got this one. This one ain't blowing, but you can see that one is. And then we got the one right here. Not right there. This one over here. I know. And then this one right here. Two in the front of the house. Let's go look at that drain pan. Alright, here's the other one. Having a goddamn flashback. The install we did a couple weeks ago. It's a brand new unit. This is a straight heat pump. Well, it ain't brand new, but 2020 is new enough. They just said to hell with the pan, which I can kind of understand. They could at least spray it with some rubber like I did. They said hell no. Drain set up. So might be able to get some straps under there and lift that bad boy up, slide a new one in and out, go from there. But that pan is done. Or add a drain flow and eliminate it altogether. That problem right there. That shit ain't doing nothing. Look at that. What's the point of that? When the water is gonna go to the bottom. I know you probably like, how the hell you gonna do that by yourself? Well, I am Kakashi the copy ninja. I done copied over 1,000 jutsu. That's how I'm gonna do it. Nah, but for real, this is how I'm gonna do it. I bought these little chest hooks. I got two of them. Never used those before, so hopefully they don't break. And I got some ratchet straps. So I'm just gonna slide that bitch on the back of it, up and around. May take that return off. And I'm just gonna get it up just high enough that I can slide the pan out. And then go from there. Hopefully it worked. If not, I'll figure it out. Somebody was kind enough to leave me 2 zip ties laying down right here. So I got one for each. Pull that bad boy through. Just like that. I'm gonna do it like that. I'll find out shit fall. And then we're gonna go from there. Do the same thing over there. Your own ass up out of here. Bring your ass up out of here. Hell yeah. One-man army, baby. That's what we do, baby. Now we just gotta get that one in there. Tell your friends about me. Just gotta connect the drains. Yeah, she level. Looking good. New pans in. Hit that up real quick. Came in the same way it came out. And we good. We done with this one. Just got to see if I can fit under that support beam of the house. If not, I know somebody who can. Got the full blocks. And they parallel, baby. You know, currently do some clean work. That's what I do. I'll be playing around out here in these streets. You know what I'm saying? Do what it do.